This mall is very big.
Yes, it is. I come here sometimes.
It looks very modern and clean.
There are many shops and restaurants here.
I feel a little excited today.
Me too. I really like shopping.
I also like walking in big places like this.
Yes, it is fun to explore new things.
I see many people around us.
Yes, it is always busy here.
Do you usually come here alone?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with friends.
That sounds nice.
Today is better because we can practice English.
Yes, we can talk and learn together.
What do you want to buy today?
I want to look for shoes. My old shoes are not very comfortable.
That is a good reason to buy new shoes.
Yes, I walk a lot every day.
What kind of shoes do you like?
I like simple and comfortable shoes.
That is a good choice.
What do you want to buy today?
I want to buy a new shirt.
What color do you like?
I like light colors, maybe white or blue.
That sounds nice.
I also want to look for a small gift.
For who?
For my friend.
That is kind of you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go inside and start.
Yes, let's explore the mall together. Look, there is a map near the entrance.
Yes, it can help us find the stores.
This mall has many floors.
I see the first floor, second floor, and third floor.
The clothing stores are on the second floor.
And the shoe stores are also there.
That is perfect for us.
Yes, we can do everything on one floor.
Do you understand the map?
A little, but not everything.
It is okay. We can go step by step.
Where are we now?
We are on the first floor near the main entrance.
Okay, so we need to go up.
Yes, we can take the escalator.
I like escalators. They are easy to use.
Yes, just stand and go up.
Do you like elevators or escalators more?
I like escalators more. They feel open.
Yes, elevators feel small sometimes.
Okay, let's go to the escalator.
I'm ready.
Be careful and stand on the right side.
Okay, I will.
Let's go up to the second floor.
Wow, this store has many shirts.
Yes, so many colors and styles.
I see blue, white, black, and even green shirts.
Yes, there is something for everyone.
Which one do you like?
I like the blue one over there.
It looks nice and simple.
Yes, I like simple clothes.
Do you want to try it?
Yes, I want to see how it looks on me.
The fitting room is there, near the mirror.
Okay, I will take this shirt and try it.
I will wait here and look around.
You can also find something for yourself.
Yes, I will look for a shirt too.
I will be back soon.
I see a nice blue shirt here. The fabric feels soft. I think I will try this one later.
I am back. What do you think?
It looks very good on you.
Really? I like it too.
The color suits you well.
Thank you.
Is it comfortable?
Yes, it feels light and soft.
That is great.
I think I will buy it.
Good choice. Now I want to try this blue shirt.
Yes, go and try it.
I will be back soon.
Take your time.
I am back. How does it look?
It looks very nice on you.
Do you like the color?
Yes, blue looks very good on you.
I feel comfortable in it.
That is important.
I think I will buy this shirt.
Good decision.
Now let's go to the shoe store.
Yes, it is just next to this store.
I see many shoes here.
Yes, there are sports shoes, casual shoes, and formal shoes.
I want something for daily use.
Then you need comfortable shoes.
Yes, comfort is very important for me.
Which one do you like?
I like these black shoes.
They look simple and strong.
Yes, I like simple design.
What is your size?
My size is 42.
Let's find your size.
Here is one pair in my size.
Try them and walk a little.
Okay, I will try them now. They feel very comfortable.
That is a good sign.
I can walk easily.
Do they feel tight or loose?
No, they feel just right.
That is perfect.
I also like the color.
Black is always a good choice.
Yes, it matches with many clothes.
Are you going to buy them?
Yes, I think I will buy these shoes.
Great choice.
I feel a little tired now.
Me too. We walked a lot.
My feet need some rest.
Yes, shopping is like exercise.
Let's find a place to sit.
Look, there's a cafe.
That looks nice and quiet.
Yes, let's go there.
Okay, I want a drink. What do you want to order?
I want a cold coffee.
I will get a hot coffee.
Do you want something to eat?
Yes, maybe a sandwich.
I will take a small cake.
That sounds good. This coffee smells very nice.
Yes, it smells fresh and sweet.
I feel relaxed now.
Me too. Sitting here feels good.
I like talking with you.
Me too. It is fun and easy.
We're learning English in a nice way.
Yes, learning can be fun.
That is true.
Now I want to find a gift for my friend.
Okay, let's go to the gift shop.
I see many small and cute things.
Yes, there are bags, keychains, and toys.
I like this small bag.
It looks very nice.
The color is beautiful.
Your friend will like it.
I think so too.
Are you going to buy it?
Yes, I will take it.
Do you want anything else?
No, I think I am done now.
Me too.
Today was a very good day.
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot.
We shopped, talked, and practiced English.
That is perfect.
I feel more confident now.
Me too.
We are improving step by step.
Yes, slowly and surely.
Let's go home now.
Okay, let's go together.